that, let me introduce myself. I'm Shiva Rama Krishna. Okay. And shortcut SRK. And first, regarding my experience, I'm the having my own startup company. I'm CEO and founder. I'm having my own company called as SS Data Solutions, where I'm providing in terms of IT solutions related to, okay, for I'm providing the IT solutions, some IT solutions related to AI and DS. This is the areas which I'm providing the IT solutions as of now. Okay, is the point is clear? And some of the students are saying that voice is not clear. Others, could you please confirm? It's very clear, right? Done. Done, guys. Perfect. Okay. Now in my company presently, this is the some projects are going on, and this is the part. And apart from this, earlier I have worked as a project level manager, project manager in one of the company in Hyderabad, project manager in one of the IT company in Hyderabad. And also I'm having the experience, almost my experience in particularly teaching plus IT, both in IT and trainings, both of them. I'm combining both of them, including both of them. My total overall experience is close to 14 and a half years, which is close to 15 years. 15 years of experience I'm having. Okay. So this is overall experience which I have, particularly in data science and AI. Within these areas, I'm having overall 7 years of experience. In this area, particularly 7 to 8 years. I'm writing the minimum, 7 was completed, I'm close to 8. Okay, 7 to 8 years of experience which I'm having. Okay, in particularly data science and AI. And I'll be providing the I'm providing the trainings to multiple organizations, not only Naresh IT, to various organizations. And I'll be working as a freelance apart from my regular work. So multiple things I do in that. One of them is trainings and IT solutions providing. And I'll be giving the like to Naresh IT. Okay, upgrade, simply learn like this to different organizations, along with the some organizations which are like related to IIT, that is which is from Times Pro Learning will be there, like this different organizations where I will be providing the trainings. Now presently associated with Naresh IT. Okay. Here the point to be noted is I'll be not giving all the trainings to everyone at the same time. It is highly impossible. So weekdays I'll be providing for Naresh IT. On weekends, whenever there is a requirement, at that time I'll be providing to for other organizations. Presently, I'm fully associated with Naresh IT for trainings. Most of my time I'm spending with the Naresh IT only. Completely I'm associated for trainings perspective. Presently, trainings, I'm giving the trainings only for Naresh IT, associated with Naresh IT completely. Apart from that, okay, this is overall experience. Now, in this total experience, as I've told you, the 15 years experience in IT, I have told you, right? Particularly in data science and AI, 7 years of experience. In this 7 years and 8 years of experience, I have worked for various domains as project manager level, and I have delivered the projects, okay, related to various domains like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, okay, e-commerce and sales, that is from manufacturing. These are the main areas which we have worked earlier. Okay, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and sales. So I have worked for the various organizations, and I have provided end-to-end solutions. Means based on their requirement, what are the requirement would be. So deliverable product, end-to-end solution with delivery. That delivery is only more important. Means before to delivery, we have to do the rigorous testing. From that only we can provide the delivery. Okay. Now, so this is my overall experience. And presently I'm giving the trainings with Naresh IT. Now, what are the different types of trainings I will be providing, Miss? I will be giving the trainings. I will train on areas like, okay, data analytics, machine learning, and AI, artificial intelligence, data science, and along with the Gen AI. Now, Gen AI with agentic AI. These are the areas which I'll be providing the trainings, complete trainings, right? So I'll be training on the areas like this and these areas which I have worked earlier, and I'm having the complete experience on this and in the company level. And I have done the, for companies itself, we have done the more than I have done personally. I have done with more than 100 plus interviews for companies itself, for companies recruitment, for their requirement, what are the recruitment they are going to do now. For their recruitment, I used to do the more than 100 plus interviews I have done. So in the reality, what exactly the interview process would be, how the interviews would be, and in the interview, what were the most commonly asked questions, how you have to prepare for that, and how you have to deliver in that, what criteria. So I can tell you clearly on what basis, on what basis they are going to select a resume from multiple resumes. How to select a resume? On what basis they will select a resume? Plus, on what criteria they will do the interview? Means interview questions, how the, and after the selection of, once the interview was completed, on what basis they'll fix the salary, how much salary we have to give for a person, how they'll fix the salary, how much salary we have to give for a person based on his knowledge or experience or something, how they are going to do this one, on what criteria or parameters they are going to observe, and finally how they are going to select, selection, complete selection end to end. So starting from the resume to ending of that. So how this entire process will be done, as we have done the multiple interviews, this is one of them. And at the same time, as as I've told you, I am having my own company at Hyderabad. So in my company also, I'll be following the same pattern within the same. Okay, based on the requirement. First, there should be some projects in the company. So after the project was given, then followed by we are going to hire the some people based on the requirement. So all these things I will explain for you in the further one by one in the sequential order. I will explain for you, right? And coming to this next education, regarding my education, okay, I have, I'm a alumni. Okay, I'm a alumni of BITS, where I have done my masters. Okay, IIT and IIM. From three of them, I have done the some courses. This is my master's degree which I have done, and where I have done my data science and along with the artificial intelligence. These are the things. So I hold the multiple certifications. Okay, and where my, basically I'm from bachelor degree, my BTech. I have completed my BTech from JNTU, Hyderabad. Within the Hyderabad itself, I have completed my BTech. And from there, I have done my master's degree, that is MTech from BITS. Okay. And apart from that, I have done the courses from IIT and IIM related to data science and artificial intelligence. And apart from this, I'm also having the certifications. So multiple certifications I hold. In that, one of the certification is Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification in data science, and same way Microsoft certification in artificial intelligence. So these are the certifications which I have done, right? I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist and I'm a Microsoft certified AI engineer, right? So this is briefly about me. Done? I assume that you got some clarity about me initially. Okay. Yes. I'm from IIM Raipur. Exactly. IIT is from IIT Madras. IIT Madras, guys. This is IIT Madras and IIM is IIM Raipur. Done? So this is brief intro about me. Done? Now coming to the next one is related to course. Now let's get into the course. Ashok, my name is Shiva Rama Krishna. Right, guys? Done. Now let us move into the course. Now today's whatever we are going to discuss is generative AI and agentic AI. That is the course. Okay, agentic AI. One of the most demandable course with Python. Obviously, we should know one programming language, that is Python. Okay. And not only Python, with Python and ML also included in the course with ML. With ML. There is no use without learning the ML, only artificial intelligence. So obviously we should learn the ML. So basics, 100% complete ML, not only the basics of ML. It is complete ML we are going to have, right? So our course includes the generative AI and agentic AI with Python. Okay. Now in this, the most demandable course as of now in the market. The reason you'll understand automatically. Demand course rather than course. Okay, the most demand, what we say, skills, the most demand skills in the market, or at the same time, the most demand people in the market, which is having the more demand as of now in the market. Multiple. Okay, most demand skills plus most demand people in the present IT market. Today, as of today, who is getting the more pay and who is getting the more pay? Here, 2 points will be there. Easy, pay. Two things are quite opposite to each other. Easy means pay will be less. Pay is high means subject will be difficult. Remember this point, very simple. Pay, work is easy means automatically everyone will learn that one. When everyone learns, automatically supply will be more, demand will be less. Okay. So most demand as of now in the market is there means that is related to this one only, right? Now, so first point here, what are the things we are going to learn? Before learning that one, what is generative AI and what is AI? So in this today's session, what we are going to cover? So directly first I'll enter into the duration of the course. Duration is 3.5 months to 4 months. Okay, some students will be interested to understand first duration, every day how much time, Monday to Friday classes is there or not. These are the first questions. Rather than what is Gen AI, what is agentic AI, first they want these questions answers. So first let me complete this one. Okay. Now, so course is of 3.5 months to 4 months. Point number one. Okay. Next. So this course is going to be started on the today, that is 6th October. So 6th October to, you can make a note of by end of February, it will be completed, which is maximum of 4.5 months. Just I'm tuning you on the day one itself. So that again on the last day, sir, when the course will be completed, sir, when the course will be completed. No discussion on that. 100% no doubt. Course will be completed on end of February. 100% guarantee. This is guarantee. Before to that only. But again, holidays will come. In between, something will come. Again, you'll ask, sir, when the course will be completed. So directly I'm saying, maximum deadline is this one. That is maximum deadline. Generally, we are expecting 4 months. Okay. Now, next, It is 4 months course, and duration, timings is from 6 to 7:30. It is fixed time. It is not going to change. 6 to 7:30 fixed. Okay, 6 to 7:30 p.m. every day, 1.5 hour. Every day, 1.5 hour. Fix. Classes would be, okay, weekends plus weekday, means literally to say Monday to Saturday. It is includes the Monday to Saturday, even Saturday also included. Monday to Saturday, everything. All the 6 days we are having. Monday to Friday, we will move with that is Gen AI. What are the Gen AI course is there? That is Gen AI course. Okay, with Python. Gen and Agentic AI with Python will have. Particularly on Saturdays, we will have the machine learning. So machine learning is basically free. We are adding. It is not the part of the syllabus. Just we are adding at free of cost, including the machine learning. So every Saturday we'll have the machine learning. Every Saturday we have the machine learning. So it is the including this, and classes would be from Monday to Friday, Saturday exclusively machine learning. And so literally it is Monday to Saturday. For you, literally it is Monday to Saturday, same timings. Every Saturday machine learning class only will be there. Saturday machine learning class. Regular classes would be here. This is free course. Literally to say it is free. Okay, machine learning is added as the free, and it is going to be on the Saturday, right? Now, Saturday also same time. Timings will not change. Whether it is Saturday, everything timings are locked. 6 to 7:30, Monday to Saturday. Okay, so every Saturday machine learning you are going to have. Next, coming to the next one is related to offline and online. Both classroom is available. If you want, you can join in the classroom. At the same time, if you want, you can join in the online. Both options are available. Both offline and online. Now, during the class hours, in class timings, okay, I will explain all the concepts. What are the concepts are there? I'll explain all concepts, and I will also clear your doubts. What are the doubts you are getting in the class? Class doubts. What are the class doubts you are going to get during the class while listening? What are the doubts you are going to get? I will clear those doubts in the class itself. After class, we are going to provide you the lab support. So from morning to evening, lab support from morning 9 to evening 6 p.m. You will have the lab support for both offline and online students. For both offline, that is classroom, and online students. For everyone, it is common. Okay. Everyone, it is going to be common. Now, right? Guys, just if you give me a few minutes, I will explain each and everything. Okay. I'll explain each and everything. If you give me a few minutes, like one by one, sequential order, I'll explain. After once my explanation was completed, you can ask your doubts. Just if you give me another half an hour of time. Okay, now it's time is 6:30 now. Till 7 o'clock, I will explain something. And from 7 o'clock, you can start asking the multiple questions which are not covered in this half an hour. Just to give me half an hour of time, online students, so that I'll explain all your questions. Most of the questions will be solved. Okay, just in the sequential order, I'll explain one by one. Now, so here I'm going to explain all the concepts in the class, regular class, what are you are having. In the class itself, what are the doubts you are getting? Directly you can ask the doubts there itself. I'll clear all your doubts in the class itself. After the class, when you are practicing, after class you will practice, right? While practicing. After class, while practicing, some problems, some questions you are going to get. While practicing, we are going to give the lab support. In the lab, you can ask what are the doubts you are having, both for classroom and online students. For everything, it is going to be the same, right? Everyone, right? Now, for this particular course, any prerequisites are there? Means before to this, anything required means nothing is required. There is no prerequisites for this particular course. No prerequisites means if you are not good at Python also not a problem. Python also will be explained by me only in the class. Okay. If you are not having the knowledge on the Python also for this particular course, there is no prerequisite, nothing required, right? Now, coming to the next one. Okay, prerequisite, nothing is required. From the base level, we are going to explain. Now in the class, we are having some college students will be there. Okay, we are having the college students, both IT students and non-IT. In the college also IT will be there, non-IT will be there. College students are there in this class, like third year, final year, everyone will be available, right? My participants, I'm writing here, what are the participants we are having in the today's class? Participants. So college students are there, just who has completed their course, like college, like freshers are there, freshers will be available. At the same time, we are having the experienced people after a career gap, sorry. So some career gap will be there, some career gap people and some experienced people. Experience also in IT will be there, non-IT also will be there. So these are the different types of participants in the today's class. Okay, who are non-working professionals having the more career gap will be there. Okay, after the college was completed, I mean in the 2022 or 23, they will be completing from last 2 years or 3 years. They are not working without no employment, something. Okay, different types of participants are there in the class. For all the participants, I can say only one point is called as, okay, for this particular course, there is no prerequisite. Whether you are having the experience, whether you don't have the experience, whether you are this one or that one, no prerequisite. Okay, no requirement, previous requirement, nothing is there. That is the first point. Second point, related to placements. When you are having the right skills with you, when you are having the right skills, other than experienced people, first I'm saying for these people. For experienced people, I'll tell again. First, coming to the college students, okay, for you. IT and non-IT college students, who are the college students are there? Okay, easily as a fresher, once you passed out as a fresher, you can expect more salary when compared to your friends. This is 100% guarantee. When compared to your friends, 100% you can expect more salary. This is minimum guarantee. Now, as a fresher, you will get the job or not, miss? As a fresher also, multiple jobs are there. Multiple jobs are available based on fresher salary. Fresher salaries will be different. Experienced people, experience salary will be different. Based on your salary, multiple jobs are available in the market. As a fresher, multiple jobs are available. So though you are a college student, final year student. Now, if you are a third year student or final year student, if you are third year, you can easily get internship in companies. You can easily get the internship in companies. Who are the third year students are there? For those people, you can easily get the internship after the course was completed. 100% you can get with no doubt, 0% doubt in this. You can easily get internship in the companies based on the skills, based on your skills. Just by enrolling the course, you will not get. Skills is there means you will get. Remember this point. If skills are there only, you will get. Just by paying the course fees, I have enrolled in NareshIT, so I will get, miss? The answer is no. If you are having the skills, miss, you will get. So third years, you are going to easily get the internship in the various companies. Plus, for your mini projects or some kind of project works, for all these things, whatever we are going to discuss in our class, it is more than sufficient. Okay, easily you can complete. At the same time, you can get the jobs. Plus, Once you enter into the 4th year, you will enter automatically into the 4th year. Now, who are in the 4th year plus 3rd year people when they enter into the 4th year. I mean, final year. My meaning is final year, guys. If your degree BC or BSc are also not a problem. In your final year, you can do project. What are the projects I'm going to discuss in the class? Based on that, you can easily complete the project for your requirement. Plus, you can apply for jobs once your course was completed. During the course only, sir, I'm in the 4th year. Now itself, they'll give the job. Miss, answer is no. Once your degree was completed, only job will come. But before to that only, your skills will be in the top notch. Okay, there is a high probability to get the more salary. 100% you will get the more salary when compared to the freshers in the any other field. Guarantee. Take what are the field you are interested. Take something, sir. My friend is doing website design. When compared to him, you will get the more salary. Guarantee. Sir, my friend is in the Java, sir. When compared to him, Java, .NET, name, what are the name you are interested in the IT? Whatever. That, this, that. Anything. Okay. One point is more clear is more salary. Sir, how you are saying, sir? Very simple. Just you don't need to believe me because I am the trainer now. Obviously, to attract you, I may say like this. ChatGPT was not designed by me. Google was not designed by me. Some other things are not designed by me. Internet is not designed by me. You can check in the internet. Whatever I'm saying. You can check in the LinkedIn. You can check in the ChatGPT. Wherever you are interested. Wherever you are interested. Course means I have this course was designed by me. I am the trainer. So obviously I will attract you. Okay, accepted. But ChatGPT, what about the ChatGPT? I have not designed now. Is the point is clear? So for all these, so freshers and final year students, for you, 100% more suited. No need to ask even one single question also. Blindly you can join. Okay? Without asking a minute silly question also. Done? Coming to the freshers, means who has already completed that thing. Again, for you also. Now, once you acquire the skills and once you are having the projects is nothing but experience. Commonly, I will say to everyone this one. What is the word I will use generally? Miss first. In the industry, first everyone will check the skills. First step, they'll check the skills. In your resume, what skills you have mentioned. Obviously, every person, whether they know Python, whether they don't know Python, first they'll write Python. First, for example, you have attended enroll the course. After enrolling the course was completed. Now you have to apply for the companies. What you are going to write in the resume? I know Python. I know ML. I know AI. I know this one. I know. So like this, we are going to write the I know. Whether we know, whether we don't know also, since we have paid for the course fees, we'll write everything. This is commonly everyone will do. Not only you, not only me, every person will do. They will write. But industry will not check this one. What you know, they will not check. How much you know, they'll check, which we call it as experience. Array, you are saying, I know Python, na? How much you know? Experience means nothing but how much you know. So industry wants experienced people. Sir, everyone are asking industry experience only, sir. No one is bothering about the freshers. Everyone are asking experienced people only. I am also saying experience only people are required. Tomorrow, if you start the company also, you also want the experienced people only. Just think, today you have started one company, you got one project. What people you are going to take? You will take one fresher and you will train in the company by paying the salary? No, na? You also experience only. They have to work and you have to pay the salary, right? So everyone wants experience only. Experience means what? What is the meaning of experience means? You are thinking the company experience, but IT industry wants project experience. Not IT, real experience in the company. You are thinking that I have to sit inside the company. Whether you sit inside the company, whether you sit outside the company also. Point is, how much skills, using your skills, you have developed the project. That is the most important point. Whether you sit inside the company, whether you sit inside the lab. projects. That is most important. How much you know. Experience means this is the meaning. Many people are thinking that experience means sitting inside the company and getting the pay slips. Array, I'm having 4 years of experience or 1 year of what is meant by 1 year of experience? 1 year what I have done? Taking the salary every month first on first taking the salary. In this 1 year what I have done? Inside the company what I will do? Projects only na. Any experienced people in this class, what you have done inside the company? Ask any experienced person in this class. Now itself I'll ask here. We can see one of the online student, Pritham. I'm having 8 years experience in Java. What is meant by 8 years experience, miss? 8 years he has worked in the Java area. In the Java, he has executed some projects within the Java. That one only, na? Experience means. Now that experience, even the freshers are having, then what freshers are called as? Point is clear. Without writing any kind of projects, just dummy projects which are used in the class, if you mention them, you are called as fresher. Here the point is very simple. Who are fresher? Who is experienced means? What is the difference between the experience versus fresher? What is in your mind, the inside the company, outside the company? Not that one. I'm saying that clearly the difference between the fresher versus experience. What is the difference means? Difference is if I give the project, if today, now for example, you only, what are the knowledge you are having? Sir, I know Java. Assume you know something Java. Sir, if I give the project to you, if I give project to you, whether you can do it or not, whether you can do it or not. Answer is, if answer is, for example, if you say the answer is no, I can't do, you are called as fresher. If you say answer is yes, I can do, means you are called as experience. Simple. If I give one project to you related to your domain only, whether you can complete the project or not, yes or no. Only two options are there. Don't select 50-50, 60-40, no percentages. Yes or no. Yes means you are experienced, no means you are fresher. Simple point. In every project, obviously some guidance will be there. Whether you are fresher or experienced also, guidance will be commonly available. How much guidance will be there? Out of 8 hours of work, 6.5 hours to 7 hours, if you are doing means 1 hour guidance will be there. 1 hour you will do, 7 hours guidance means it is called as lab. 1 hour if you work and 7 hours you are expecting, sir, every one code you write, sir, now what, sir? Again you write one code, sir, now what, sir? Then it is called as lab, not is not called as job. Right? So if you are able to do the project on yourself, of course, basic guidance will be there. So with that guidance, you are able to do miss experience, not able to do miss you are fresher. Freshers, no jobs are there in the market. I am only saying in this course also no jobs. In this course also no jobs, guys. No jobs. Not only in this course, take any other course also no jobs for you. Answer is yes, jobs are available. Point is very simple. Not only here, not only my course, not only this one, take anything. Okay. If you say that, sir, I know Python, you know Python, huh? Okay, done. I give the project, whether you will do a, no, sir. Then you are less fresher, no job for you. Fresher jobs are not available in the market. Fresher jobs are not available in the market. Underline this word. Fresher jobs are not available in the market. Again, I'm saying fresher means this one, not fresher means what you are thinking. Fresher means not working inside the company. Fresher means the person who is unable to do the project on the given skill is called as fresher. Point is clear? Sir, I can do one project, sir. I will give the job, sir. I will give the job, sir. Very simple. Point is clear, everyone? Meaning of fresher and experience is clear now? IT industry wants experienced people. IT industry wants tomorrow you start your own company only. You got one project related to design one website. Whom you are going to hire? One person who doesn't know about the website and he'll come to your interview means, are you going to hire him? You will hire first. You tell me. Whether you will hire means, okay, I'll accept. You tell me. Yes or no? Tomorrow you only started company, you only have to pay the salary. You for website design, you got 1 lakh rupees. In that, some 50,000 or 40,000 you have to pay as a salary. That person don't know anything. He has came just from the college. In the college, what are the concepts the trainer has explained like that? They came directly into the company. Are you going to hire him? If you hire him, means whether your project will be completed. No, na. You will also not hire na. What you want? If, for example, he is having very extraordinary skills are there. He is very good at website design. Your requirement is what? Website design, guys. This is your requirement. Website design is, everyone knows website. That is the reason I'm saying. Because you don't know Chennai projects now. Otherwise, I can explain even Chennai project also. But example purpose, I'm showing you. You want website design. Okay, there is one extraordinary person who develops very well. And he has shown some websites what he has developed also. Okay, develops very well. Okay, very well. And he has shown you some projects. What are the websites he has developed? He has shown you. Okay, you how you know miss? Because he has shown that. Sir, how he has shown miss? In the resume. In the resume, he has mentioned the some link he has mentioned. In that link, he has kept all his projects. And he has shown you the projects, whatever he has developed. And once you have seen that, you have impressed with that. Now, are you going to give the job or not? Yes or no? Okay. But the problem is he is having some career gap. Gap of 5 years. Are you going to give now or not? 5 years. You only tell me. You. I'm asking you. Not about the IT companies. You only. Your requirement is website design. One person is there. He has done very well website. And that is sufficient for your requirement. But he is having the 5 years career gap. What you are going to do in this case? Now, the person who is not having the career gap, same skills are there. He is also developing in extraordinary way. He also develops. One more person also available. One more person is also available. But that person is not having no career gap. There is no career gap. Now, which person you are going to select? The person with no career gap. Now, he is expecting a salary of 50K per month. He is expecting a salary of 1 lakh per month. Now, whom you are going to select? Earlier, you told that no career gap now. So now, which one is more important for you? So at the same time, the person is having zero skills, but no career gap. Okay, BTech fresher, CSE background. Okay, IT background, CSE, everything, but no subject. He is even expecting only 10,000. Which one you are going to select now? 10,000 person or 50,000 person? Right? Everyone will set the 50,000 person because even the person has, he's asking 10,000 also. We can't do with that. So salary is not only the main point. Skills plus salary. First point is skill. Second top priority goes to the salary. When two persons are having the same skill, industry will always check who is expecting less salary. First priority always. Tomorrow, if you start a company also, you will also do the same. Remember, same thing as it is you will do. First top priority, what you will give? Skill. For your project completion, skill. So skill means skill, the person who is having the knowledge plus experience. Skill means what? Knowledge. Subject knowledge should be there. Plus experience in that area should be there. Once you are having these two, second priority, what you are going to do? Plus what is the expected salary? These are the two things. Skill is very high. At the same time, salary also expecting very high. Other person expecting less salary means other person only will get the job. Tomorrow you will also do the same. Once you do the 2 interviews for both of them, and if you feel both of them are having the same knowledge, one person is having expecting this much of salary means, you'll not say, hey, the other person is asking very less salary, why you are asking this much? You'll not discuss this much. Simply you'll say that I let you know. I let you know means rejected. Simple. Is the point is clear, guys? Everyone? Understood? Understood, guys? So here, very simple point. What are the skills you are having plus salary? Here, no need to fill the career gap with the fake experience. No need to do something wrong things, anything else. Simply, you have to fill your career gap or whatever it is with the right skills and add with more number of projects plus expect low salary. Comparatively, when you are having one negative point with you, expect comparatively low salary. Automatically, you will get the first person to get the job. The person who is not having the minus point, he is expecting the same. The person who is having the minus point also expecting the same. Then which one you will select? You tell me. You tell me. What you are going to do? Right? For example, assume you want to purchase one second-hand bike. Not new bike. New bike means, sir, why you are not selecting the new bike means new bike price for you and for me same. But second-hand bike, it depends on the futures, various futures. So we want to purchase a second-hand bike. Now, when we are trying to purchase a second-hand bike, okay, based on the futures, okay, what is the model? So there are two bikes. Model is same company, same model. Pulsar 180, Pulsar 180. Bajaj company, Bajaj company. Number of kilometers, 20,000 driven, 20,000 driven. 2023, 24 model, 2024 model. Same year, same model, same number of kilometers driven, same color, blue color, blue color. Same number. Alphabets are different, but number is same. 1, 2, 3, 4 rising, 1, 2, 3, 4 rising. Don't ask how two numbers will be there. Before to that, BG or here FZ is there. Letters will be different, but numbers are same. Numbers are same, color is same, this one is same, that one is same, tires condition is same, insurance is same, everything is same. Not even minute difference is there. Everything is same. It is having the slight scratches are there. Okay, some scratches are there. No, not even one scratch is there. And this is the bike, what they're asking the bike price is with the scratches, 75,000, with no scratches, 76,000. Which one? 75 or 76? 76 only, na? If it is 75, then no need of discuss also. Waste of time. To discuss also waste of time. Obviously, we said this one only. Now, but this person, due to the scratches, he has slightly reduced the price to 60K. Now, that defect is an scratches means not high level or accident or something. Minute scratches, which is not even visible properly. Point is clear. What do you think? We can minute repair, na? It will not even that scratches to remove that scratches maximum 2,000 or 3,000 or 5,000. Now additional 10,000 we are going to save, na? This calculation you are going to know, na? For basic bike only we'll do this much of calculation. Companies will not do a. Point is clear, everyone. So they'll just observe this one. Same logic they'll apply. And they'll observe in the market what is the we are having. Is the points are clear? Understood the logic behind this? ssdatasolutions.com website is not working. First, ssdatasolutions.com website is not there. Who told that ssdatasolutions.com website is there for you? I told her. Vamsi? No, right? Just ignore. Done? It is a basic startup company. If it is a full-fledged high level like Infosys website and a high level company means, I'll not sit in front of you and I'll not discuss this much with you. It is one of the startup company where I'm having the employees. As of now, only 5 employees are there and we are working. Startup company which was started 1 year back only. Fine guys, everyone is clear, right? Now, so here for all the different participants, for freshers and everyone, career gap people, everyone is clear now. So when you are having the skills with you, just expect comparatively low salary. Okay, one minute mistake is there from your end, miss, just reduce slightly the salary, 100% you will get placed easily. Okay, as one more time I'm saying guys, when both of them are same, comparison should be done clearly. Here when I'm explaining for you the bike example, I have shown you clearly the example. What is that example I have shown you is, in the second-hand bike, the model is of same year, 2024. At the same time, 20,000 kilometers. Everything as it is I have shown you. But for example, you are having the 2024 model with almost 1 lakh kilometers already driven. You are having the 2023 model, only 10,000, means the user has used less. This person 2024 latest only, but he has used rough and tough. 1 lakh kilometers already he has completed fully. Now which one you are going to select? Latest model, old model? If both the prices are same, scenario is both the prices are same. Now in this case, what you are going to do? So are we going to decide every time a bike model only or bike color? Parameter is not locked. It depends on the money will be decided based on the multiple parameters. When both of them same only, last parameter again comes to the money. So based on the same way in the company also, when they are having the multiple resumes in their hand, and when multiple people are having the similar kind of skill set, just they'll observe salary. Many people, they will lost their job, means they'll not get the job after multiple rounds are completed also. Finally, while they'll not get the job, means they'll have a problem here. They don't know how to ask the right salary. Okay. So after clearing the multiple rounds also, they'll fail. HR, everyone will be satisfied. Technically, next 3 rounds, 4 rounds. So finally, sir, because they'll understand when compared to you, other person is expecting less salary. So they'll be satisfied with the person and they'll go with them. Okay. So proper negotiation also we should know. In what way we have to ask, in how much we have to ask to get easily. Is the points are clear? Right? Now, so this is the scenarios, guys. Next, coming to the experienced people. Now, most important, experienced people. Now, in the experienced people, now everyone says that AI is future. AI is the future. But this is no. AI is not the future. No. AI is present. It is already entered. It is not future. Forget. Okay, it is not future. After 2 years or 3 years in the future, completely AI only. Forget about future. Today only AI is there in the market already. Already AI is in the market. Okay, it is already replacing so many things. Okay, already AI is in the present, not in the future. So it is completely, but one point is very clear. Future is completely AI. AI will not start in the future. AI is already started present, and future is also completely filled with the AI. Everything. Tomorrow, if you learn the one course with AI, that AI word will be added automatically. Every word will add with the AI. Because AI is going to be integrated in every area. Now, all the experienced people, what are the experience they are having? Now, they want to move to something else. So why they want to move? In this class, how many experienced people are attending this today's class? How many people want to shift to another one? What is the reason of shift? Okay, they want to shift. What is the reason behind that, miss? The reason is called as, only one reason would be, one and only reason is called as salary. That is only the reason. Okay, either they have removed from their previous company, either they have got laid off, means they have get removed already. Okay, the reason of getting removed is also matching not with the salary. Their skills are not matching to their salary. Their skills are low, salary are high. So automatically they have laid off. When they doesn't match automatically, even tomorrow you start your own company also, you will also do the same, guys. Because I'm having my own company now. I'm clearly, while removing, I used to think, when earlier layoffs are there, I used to think why these people used to do the layoff like this, and these many people they used to remove, miss. Later I understood, when they are not able to work, or when they are taking more salary, and outside we are able to pay the same work with less salary, we'll get automatically the same feeling. Why we have to pay this much of salary for these people? One person you have to pay 1 lakh. Outside in the market, you can get the same work as it is at 70,000. That remaining 30,000 automatically will be saved to the company, right? It is going to be a profit for me. Why I have to reduce my profit, and why I have to give to the old employee with the 1 lakh salary, though it is 70,000 worth also, why I have to pay? I'm doing any seva na? No, na. I'm doing pure business only, right? When it is business, I want profit, you want more money. It is purely business only, na. Money also in this, right? If I'm doing the seva, if I say that, see, actually your talent is 70,000 only, as a donation, I'm adding extra 30,000 for you. If I say like this, other person will not even take the money. He will feel that 1 lakh he is getting for his skills, but actually 70,000 for his skills, remaining 30,000 is company is giving some extra money like that. If they say like this, miss, other persons will not accept. If they remove also, they'll not accept. Then what to do in this case? So simply they are going to remove them. They are going to bring the new people, and they are going to pay the less salary. They are going to replace. So here, most of the people in this class, experienced people, they want to shift. The reason behind this is, one, they want to acquire high skills. Reason one. And if they want to shift to another company, miss, they're expecting the more salary. For both of them, this course is most suited. More suited. Even you are having the 10 years of experience in the any domain. As earlier, one of the student has asked the question, 8 years experience in Java. 8 years instead of 8 years, 18 years is there also not a problem. Just what are your present things you are working now? For that, you are going to add the Gen AI skills on that. Your present work. For example, assume you have to create one PPT. Your work is basically to create the PPT. Instead of creating a normal PPT, using the Gen AI, you are creating the PPT. Same work you are doing, but using the Gen AI. For example, let's take, I think most of you have seen this in the Instagram. I'm assuming. If you have not seen also, I can't do anything. Just as an example, some carpenter is there. His work is to do some kind of wooden work or something, interior design or something. Now, earlier interiors who are going to do the interior work, they used to have some ideas. Sir, in this place, this one, in this place, this one. Now, even the interior designer who are using the interior designing, they are also using the AI. They are taking the photo for this area which is more suited, they are giving. In every room, they are taking one photo for this particular wall which is more suited. For this paint, which one is more suited? Which colors will be apted? All these things, even interior designer is using the Gen AI. He's integrating. So here the worker, what are the present existing work is there na? Existing work plus Gen AI. They're adding the Gen AI in that. That is the actual point. In their existing work, they are adding the Gen AI, guys. Is the point is clear? Everyone? Yes or no? Right? Now, so for all the Gen AI here, okay, just sorry guys, as we are getting interrupted in between multiple times here, I request everyone, both offline and online students, please join in the WhatsApp community by scanning this one related to for this course. Everyone, please scan this and join in the WhatsApp community, please. Both offline and online students, everyone. So you're going to get all the course related updates every day. Everyday course related updates you are going to get on this WhatsApp community. Every update you are going to get here. Everyone please join, including the course content, course syllabus, everything. I mean, course content and course syllabus both are same only, na? Course content and course payment details related to course, whatever is there, everything you are going to get here. If you are unable to join also, please first take the screenshot or photo or something. And you will get the recording also here. Initial demo recordings you will get. Once the demos is completed, regular classes only for the paid students, you are going to get the recordings. Everyone is clear, guys? So now coming to the experienced people or anyone. So in your regular work, you have to add some kind of Gen AI skills. Now every projects are included. More number of projects are included with the regular life. What are the work we are doing every day in our regular life of work in all types of projects like Java project, Python project, individually. Most of the projects they have integrated with the Gen AI. Most of the projects. So in every area we are having the Gen AI integration. Take example any one of them as per your choice. You can think in your project how to integrate the Gen AI. As I've told you now, basic interior designer, carpenter too. Everyone are using the Gen AI integrations. Now here the point is very simple. Sir, what is this Gen AI integrations? Gen AI means nothing but as everyone knows, ChatGPT. Sir, okay, assume interior designer is going to take one photo and he is going to ask one question. Which one is more suited for this? Okay, for this particular paint background, which one is more suited? Something he has asked the question like this, and he is going to give the some output. Okay. Now that is basically what? A tool. Which one? ChatGPT. For creating the ChatGPT or to create an app, so to integrate with the ChatGPT, what you are going to use? Tool is there, na? Tool is okay. For the tool in the backend, what is there? Inside the tool, someone has to create the tool, na? Some app is there. You are using that app. You have to use means someone has to create, na? The person who is going to create that tool, what he is going to use? That one we are going to learn here. Not the apps. I'm not going to show you the open the ChatGPT type here. That is already developed one. I'm going to show you how to create that one. Like that product, we are going to create the products and how to integrate those products in our regular and how to develop the products. Once product was developed, means those the person who has given the project to us, once we develop the product, he is going to market that one and he is going to do the business from that and he will get the money from that. Point is clear. Tools are available, but for the each tool, backend what? Sir, nowadays we have seen latest one tool is there, sir. Okay, sir, tool is there. You are clicking on that, it is working, sir. For that, what is the code, sir? Who developed, sir? In that company, who was hired, sir? That is the question, na? Point is clear? Here, again, for your understanding purpose, I am saying, guys, bike. Bike was designed by one person. Designed by one person. Bike was manufactured by in the manufacturing. What are the technicians or someone will be there, right? In the industry, inside the industry. Okay. And after manufacturing, sales executives are different. They'll sell this one. Sales executives are different. And the person who is going to purchase and who is going to use the bike is person is different. Bike user is different. And finally, the bike will be repaired by the another person. Everyone are different. Right? In this, you are using this one. I'm saying this one. ChatGPT, this is the bike user. Like ChatGPT, you are the user of the ChatGPT. We are discussing about this. How to design for that and what is the requirements. How it works. How the tools will be developed. And all these things. Points are clear? Here, what exactly we are going to do is this one. We are not going to use the end product. We are going to create the product. And that is called as end-to-end solution for the project based on the requirement. Okay. So here we are going to have, okay, in this course, what are the things we are going to learn is Python. First, we'll start with the Python. After learning the Python, next we are going to learn the ML and AI. Within the AI, we are going to learn the DL, that is deep learning. Okay, within the AI, one technical first deep learning. And after learning the deep learning, from there we are moving on to the Gen AI, that is generative AI, which majorly works on LLM models. Gen AI is completely LLM models, basically. Okay, using the LLM models. And for this LLM models, within the Python, we are going to use the Hugging Face. Using the Hugging Face. Majorly, we are going to use the Hugging Face models. What is that Hugging Face means? It is a library within the Python. So as here, within the Python, different integrations of Python will be there. For example, if you are integrating the Python with pandas, then you can do the data analysis. For example, if you are a data analyst, then you are going to majorly focus on the pandas. For machine learning engineer, you have to majorly focus on the sklearn library within the Python sklearn library. If you want to be good at deep learning, means PyTorch, TensorFlow. These are the things which you have to learn within the Python majorly. If you want to work with the NLP, you have to learn this one. And if you want to integrate with ML apps you have to create, means you have to learn the Streamlight application. And here, if you want to work with the Gen AI, you are going to use the Hugging Face. And if you want to develop the AI agents, you have to use the LangChain. LangChain, LangGraphs, these are the things which we are going to learn. Okay. So within the, okay, here statistics is not required. Completely statistics is going to be 0. That is only required in the data science and data analysis. Okay, here it is not required. Right? It is completely a full stack AI and ML course for you. It's a combination of AI and ML. Here statistics is not required. And here we are going to majorly focus. Okay, here within the Gen AI, we are majorly focusing on the LLM models. As I've told you earlier, within this one, majorly we are going to focus on LLM models, transformers, and GPT models. GPT means in the ChatGPT, GPT, that is generative pre-trained models. Okay, GPT models. Okay. So GPT, what are the transformers we are having? These are the one which we are going to majorly focus. And within the agentic AI, we are going to majorly focus on the N8N and along with this lang chains, which is more popular nowadays. Okay. As one of the student earlier is typing in the question, are we going to learn N8N in the agentic AI? Is 100% we are going to learn. That is most important. That is only agentic AI majorly. Okay. And in detail about the course content, in detail in the Python, what we are going to learn, in ML, what we are going to learn, in Gen AI, what exactly we are going to learn, in agentic AI, what we are going to learn. In detail, we are going to discuss in detail about course content. What are the course content is there? Means inside the course, what exactly we are going to learn, that we are going to see in the tomorrow's class. This is tomorrow. Already it is 7:18. Okay, tomorrow's class. Same link, same time, everything. So tomorrow I'm going to explain in detail about the course content. Detail I'll explain. Once I explain, I will share you. Once my explanation is completed, I will share tomorrow. I will share it in WhatsApp. You can go through. Not only Hugging Face, OpenAI also. 100% we are going to use OpenAI also. Just as an example, I'm going to in detail, I'm going to explain tomorrow. OpenAI is also included. Everyday class timings would be only this. Vector data, Shantanu, vector databases are included. So inside the MCP models are included, right? So what are exactly included inside this? Again, I'm saying tomorrow what I'm going to explain. Wait for tomorrow's class. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to explain in detail about the course content. And Mohammed is asking, 10 years of experience in non-IT, now can I shift? Absolutely. And this is the best one. To career shift, any person, any experienced people, they want to have a career shift. Miss, my first choice for them, without key, again, starting from the fresher or low level package, miss, the best one is Gen AI and Agentic AI. Okay. So real-time project is the part of the course or different batch we have to join? No. So tomorrow we are going to discuss in detail about the course content and projects. What are the projects I'm going to discuss with you? I will tell you all the project titles also and number of projects. How many projects I'm going to discuss with you also, I will tell you. Around 10 projects we are going to cover. 10, not 1 or 2. 10 projects, 10 plus. I'm writing plus means minimum 10. That number can be more than 10 only. Minimum is 10. I have written here 10 plus. Minimum, I'll show you 10 projects. If possible, 15, 16 also it may come. But I will assure only minimum 10 projects minimum. Minimum. So these 10 projects can be write in the resume. Miss, you are not here to do the copy paste work. You are going to understand the concepts of 10 projects and you can develop the additional projects. How you have to develop that one also I'll tell you. From where you can do and what are the requirements are there, everything. From that, you also can add some more additional projects. And from that additional projects, you can write in the resume. My projects, you don't need to write in the resume. Develop the projects from that. Here, these projects are class projects. What are the 10 class projects I'm using now? All these 10 projects for your understanding purpose. Is the points are clear, everyone? Understood, guys? And target certification by this course. You can easily complete the Microsoft certification in AI. Microsoft certification in AI, easily you can complete. Do I need ML and DL coding knowledge for Gen AI? Do you required? But that one also will be explained in the class by me only. Is this first batch of Gen AI course of Naresh IT? No. This is particularly Gen AI only second batch for me. Ajay. Sir, will you cover the PyTorch and CNN? Of course, it will be covered. Exactly, Abhishek. Related to course content, more detail we'll discuss now. You're asking just as a one heading only. In the course, we are having almost 20 headings are there. You are asking one heading, other student will ask one heading, other student will ask one heading. Instead of this, I'll explain in detail about the course content tomorrow. There you ask exactly if it is not covered. I'll show you the content also clearly for you. Mahesh, this is not a lecture or this is not a workshop to get the certificate separately. It is a course initial demo class. Sir, I'm BTech Computer Science at 2022 and Naresh IT should provide placements like screening test like that, sir. Absolutely, they will provide the placement assistance is available. Vamsi, are we covering LLM and RAG? 100%. Fine tuning of LLM models. Vamsi, everything is included. Could you join one more time tomorrow? In the step by step, I'll show you what are the things you are writing now. Everything will be included. Everything. Fine tuning of LLM is there. That is included. LLM models are there. RAG is there. Right? Can we join a demo live class? Yes. You can come to offline directly to Naresh IT campus itself. Will you be the only tutor or till the end or any other tutors will explain remaining topics? No. Tomorrow I'm going to show you the syllabus now. Each and every topic, every letter of the syllabus will be covered by me only. I don't have knowledge on coding. I'm working as a AWS administrator. Lucky person. Okay. Because you're not having the coding skills, miss, you're not having the confusion only. The persons who are having the coding skills, na, they'll confuse. Sir, in the Java, we used to do like this now. In that we are having the data type like this, now they'll ask for you, no problem. Lucky. Best suited for you. 100% you can shift. And your previous experience also will be considered. Rashid, is there any morning or evening morning batch or evening after 8? No. 6 to 7:30. I cannot join offline. That is your choice. If you are interested offline means you can come for offline. Online means online. Little time 7 p.m. please start. See, problem is 7:30 I'm having the class. 6 to 7:30. In another 5 minutes, my next batch will start. Don't ask, sir, can I sit in that class? That is previously which was started 2 months back. Okay, sir, I'm a .NET developer with having 3 years of exercise, but I want to switch my career into Gen AI. 100% Ajay. Just you integrate some, your previous projects are there now. For your previous projects, you add the Gen AI skills, what I'm going to explain. For your previous projects, you just add this one and showcase that this is the experience with the latest skills I'm having. Muni, how much experience will put in resume? I have total 8.5 years of experience. Keep 8.5 only. Keep the same experience of 8.5. In Gen AI, you can't keep 8.5 years of experience. Gen AI only has evolved 2 years back. Came outside only 2 years back. If you keep more than 2 years means they'll ask whether you have created that one. 2 years back, Gen AI only not there. In the market, job only not there. How you can get that role? Keep 8.5 of experience same and you also add. Now you have learned additional skills with the Gen AI and you can utilize even that skills also. You just add. Muni, is your question is clear? Right? How I can join the online demo class? How you have joined today? Same process as it is. Copy paste. Tomorrow, same 6 to 7:30. I'm having testing background. Wanted to know kind of opportunities are available with this course. multiple opportunities. You want more specifically some kind of projects, some kind of projects where we can apply this one, that one. Miss, in tomorrow's class, I'll show you with an example in detail. Any chance of starting morning batch? As of now, there is no possibility. For CST students, what skills to be learned? This is more than sufficient. More than sufficient. Are you providing recordings if any missing classes? Muni, not only for missing classes, for all the classes we'll provide the recordings if you pay the recordings fees also. Venu, you make Chennai and Agentic AI looks effortless and fun. Genius teaching. Thank you. And what is the scope of database person? Integrations only now. You can, will you teach complete N8 Ajay in detail? Tomorrow we'll see, Ajay, exactly what is the course content. That is more you are focused on course content only now. Ajay, your questions are more on course content. We'll discuss tomorrow exactly. What is the fees with recording? I'll confirm you tomorrow, guys. Fees with recording, without recording, both I'll confirm you tomorrow. All the students at the same time in the WhatsApp tomorrow morning itself you will receive, everyone. Just attend tomorrow, you'll get a complete clarity. Day after tomorrow, I'll take one project in front of you and I'll execute the project also, so that still more clarity you'll get. Right? Praveen, as a senior RPA developer, how it will be useful my career? Praveen, as you are only saying you are very senior, just can you type in the Google senior RPA developer plus Gen AI? Just type in the Google and please tell me. I will wait for another 2 minutes. You just check and tell me. I'm waiting for you. Done? Confused between DevOps and the Gen AI course. Whichever you feel easy, that is the best one. Listen to all the courses and take finally the decision. Which one you feel easy, that one is best. You have any knowledge on quantum plus ML? No. Vamsi Krishna? No. I'm not going to work in that area. No. I'm waiting for 6 months for your morning batch for Gen AI. Please tell me, is there any possibility or not? Vamsi, answer is again no. There is no possibility, Vamsi. Okay, guys, let's continue in the tomorrow's class. Vamsi, morning batch as of now, no. I will let you know surely in the future if anything is there. Abhinav Varma, what is the difference between data science with AI and Gen AI versus this one? Here, more focus will be on the AI. There, the more focus will be on the data science and max. Sir, already I'm learning the Python at Naresh IT. Can I learn along with that? 100%. Because there are here also point is same only now. 100%. Right? Done? Thank you, guys. We'll continue in the tomorrow's class from here. Thank you. Thank you all. Yeah, next batch students are waiting and we'll continue from here. Good demo. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Great introduction to you course. Are you going to cover a declarative? Rajesh, tomorrow we'll discuss in detail about the course. Rajesh, please attend tomorrow. And after my explanation, again, if you are having the doubt in the course content, you can ask the same question to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all. Bye. Thanks for your feedbacks.